everyone, this is Workspace Noob. This is a video of my workstation, so I hope you all enjoyed. This is my gloves that I use, paintbrushes, the cut the parts out from the sprues, my kitchen roll, my water bowl. This is what I use to put my camera on. Then I got control. This wire connects to that TV. Yes, I know that's mucky, that's dirty, but that's fine. That is so I can see what I'm recording on my phone. And I've got this amazing light here that shines it all up. So I just hit this button and that makes it nice and bright and easy for me to see and for you guys to see. This is the paint that I use, and this is all the paints that I use. So I've got all the base ones and I've got majority of the layer ones as well. This is where I put me rubbish in, or me trash. This is my magnifying glasses, some more paints here, and then I've got my very first technical colour here. And if you haven't already known this, but this is amazing. It's a brush cleaner and it's absolutely amazing. Cleans my brushes really good. This is the glue that I use. That's the primer as well that I've just got up on backhand, but I do use this can that I use. It'll be up on here on the video right now for you, so you can see which colour I use. And this is the current models that are currently done. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but I've got this one that I got for my partner, and I've just currently left it like that because I kind of like it like that. Then we've got the rat, and I've got the ogre or orc, whatever you call it. And then, yeah, my very first one that I've ever painted, soldier. And then I got another one right here. At the end of the video, there will be glamour shots of all of these models that I've done. Then we've got the instructions here, which I'll go through in a tiny bit. And here is all the parts for down there from the models. Then we've got the soldier, the Thousand Suns in there, the two current videos that are currently up right now. If you haven't seen it, check them out. Then we've got another soldier, another rat in there. Then we've got a X-Acto knife, some extra paintbrushes. This is a mold line remover. I don't know how to use that correctly, so I've just put that in there. Got some hair bubbles to keep my hair out my face, some acetone, some extra kitchen roll, some masking tape, some of those pods, some cotton buds or Q-tips, depending on where you're from. These are the extra lenses. In here we've got the parts. That is currently what I'm working on as well. This one as well. Got the Chaos Warrior in there. Then we've got this one. And here is, let me zoom in for you. There's the one I'm working behind the scenes. It's a Space Marine. And there, in here, is the current carriage for the Dark Coach. I've got all the plates all in there. We've got all the spruces for the models. Is kitchen roll and some more gloves. Here's all the boxes and the current looks of everything I've got. So this is all the instructions of the ones I've got. So there's this one, this one, this one, there's this one, and this one, this one, This one's my favourite. And then is that one. I've lost the cover for this one, so I'm just showing you which ones I'm making, which is that one. And then I've got the Demon Prince one, which I lost the cover to that one. And then we've got this massive book one here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the next one what you want to see, and I'll do it. So I hope you enjoyed the glamour shots at the end, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with emotion, following the light that sets me free. Final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with emotion, following the
When tomato my bed.